Hello everybody, it's been a while since I've posted a full video up on YouTube, and I've got a new one for you today, and it's quite the update. I received an order from Color Paints, and the first time around when I placed an order from them, their website was a lot different. It was older style. They recently updated it, and they were not offering worldwide shipping, and they now are. They now have an affiliate program and some other perks as well. They also are doing artist bundles. So if you have a favorite artist and they have a bundle of their favorite paint colors put together, you can definitely grab that on the Color website. So I am going to turn the camera around and set my phone up on the tripod, and we will unbox this order. There are 2 boxes this time, so stay tuned. Be right back. All right, first off, we have the tintable texture paste. If you've ever ordered from Color before, you know how well they package their orders. So I'm going ahead and opening everything up. I'm going to speed up that process, and then I'll give you a run through at the end of everything that was in the 2 boxes. All right, so I've got a gallon of white gesso and reorder of some of my favorite colors in bigger jars this time, the yellow green, phthalo turquoise. I love this color, and it harmonizes so well with other colors. Here is the tintable texture paste. This is a quart size cadmium yellow light. This is a very nice yellow. My other most favorite color, probably the blue green. I use a lot of this one. This is a really nice color. All right, and then I've got a couple new ones. So I just ordered the small 4-ounce containers the first time to make sure that I like them before I order a bigger container. Indian yellow. Lovely, yummy, orangey, pumpkin-y kind of a color. Fluorescent magenta. That looks fun. They do have a fluorescent pink, but it was out of stock when I placed my order, so I'll try again next time for that. Yellow ochre. Medium violet purple. This is really pretty. I think it's gonna look really good with some white added into it as well, for like a soft lilac color. And quinacridone red. So that is my Color paint order for this time around. I hope you like the colors that I got and they inspire you to place a order through Color. If you're not following my page already, please give me a follow, give me a thumbs up on this video so I know that you are here, and head over to Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest and give me a follow there as well at Janeka Anderson Art. All right, everyone, have a great day. See you in the next video.